Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WhatsApp Business for AI support automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the WhatsApp Business app installed on your smartphone. Open the app by tapping on its icon. Once the app is open, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure to enter the number associated with your WhatsApp Business account. After entering your phone number, tap on the next button. You will receive a verification code via SMS or a phone call. Enter the verification code you received in the designated field. Once verified, you will be taken to the setup screen. Here, you can add your business name and select your business category. After entering your business details, tap on Next to continue. Now, you can set up your business profile. This includes adding a profile picture, business description, address, and business hours. After completing your profile, tap on Save to proceed. Your WhatsApp Business account is now set up. To automate AI support, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Business Tools from the drop-down menu. In the Business Tools section, look for Quick Replies. Here, you can create automated responses to frequently asked questions. To set up automated responses, tap on Quick Replies then Add. Enter a commonly asked question and its corresponding auto-response. Once done, tap Save to store your quick reply. Next, explore the Labels option to organize your contacts for better management. This will help you categorize conversations, making support automation easier. For more advanced options, consider integrating a third-party AI chatbot service. Search for chatbot solutions that work with WhatsApp Business. Follow their integration instructions to link the chatbot with your WhatsApp Business account. Once the integration is complete, you can automate responses even further. Test your setup by sending a message to your WhatsApp Business number. Check if the automated responses work correctly. Make any necessary adjustments in your settings to refine your automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.